GHP Raju beliau Principal Secretary Veterinary and Animal Husbandry but Kumjuru ia ke Cooperation Department jongga Sorkar Jilla ulapan pau ba ke Sorkar ke donya ka ia kata katong ban yarap ia kipait ba ban light nak jing syak jod pen tang namar pegi duna hakaliang kayo ke kot komu beliau GHP Raju de uhe officer pulit jongga Jilla pat menta ulapoi ban chimti pat ia kani ke kam habakran bat kani ke thup kubor nakaliang uraju uloong pu penpau ya ke jingmen banyo penyeselok pat kipait ba hadin polala pan ai ya ke jing chakri la arsan snem hakakam ya kani uraju la penpau hakasngi ke berlolek penjurip telah ke jonggi khmat ya ke jaka ris nyang hapo nongston susu komu he officer jongkani ke tnat uraju loong ba unyele ban kinti wi kinong rep hakakam ri jingri ya ka bak Sorkar kelawan chakmat ban penchluri kipait ba jongga jela nagamta ban pai khmat shaka mission piggery milk mission bat kakam ban rep strawberry ula kubur ba ka jingrus pa jongga jela nakame maryang kalong ke bamla pan batai henry kat ba kipait ba ke penun kam kidang kerdo uraju loong ba ke megalia ka don hadu san point san lak ngut kilong yeng na preng kini kumasau point prapusan lak na ni prapusen ki day na ki time nong kendong ki be em ha ulan jong jing tuna hakaliang gayo ka kot kat kum ka khana summary ka socio economic but ka census jong ka snem ar khatwe la antat pa lai point lai pu ar lak ki long yeng long sem ke bidang don kam banyo ya ka lat klenti bakin yo ban em kendoi jakpo kumta ban poi sakate ka thong ban em ka Sorkar jela kalawanra ya ke jingajan jong ki pait ba bandon kita ki kunhun aikam aijam ki berit kum ki society ne ki cooperative bandon ki jingkala hagarukam ban im ban kamai lingba ka kamrep kum ka aquaculture piggery dairy mushroom apiculture jackfruit mission ki bala pan le kani ka don kam ya ka tanan ban ai ya ke jinga trailang pat ki pait ba la benrap GHP Raju
Me to be with our farmers from the very, very poor families through the help and assistance from Hill Farmers Union, and who is the Commander Shang Pliang is the president of this Hill Farmers Union, who invited me to have a session with our farmers who are very keen to join the piggery mission, which is launched by our Honorable CM and our Deputy CM very recently. This is a very, very good centrally sponsored. The fund is coming from the Government of India, especially from National Cooperation Development Corporation. Total 209 crores is earmarked for this piggery mission. These piggery missions is to be executed only through cooperative societies. That's why I specially selected Nongstein to begin with, to be with the farmers and request them to form into cooperative societies immediately, to avail the benefits under the piggery mission. The huge advantage of this piggery mission is you will get the funding in the form of loans with the 0% interest. That is the advantage. The loan taken at the 0% interest to be repaid in a span of 8 years, which is very, very beneficial for our poorest of the poor farmers. Second one, the pigs are part and parcel of our culture, part and parcel of our family, especially the housewives, our ladies, they know how to rear, how to take care of the pigs. That is the huge advantage we have. Unlike the milk mission, where we are not sure how to handle cows, basically, because that is a very sensitive animal. So rearing a cow is totally different from the rearing a pig. Because in our culture, in our brought up in our family, pig always remained a part of that. That's why I'm very sure the piggery mission will become very acceptable and become a roaring success through the intervention of the cooperative societies, through the intervention of NGOs, especially the women who have to be in the forefront to make this piggery mission a success. Then my visit to Nongstein as a principal secretary to the government of Meghalaya in both handling animal husbandry and veterinary department and cooperation department is a shift, a switch over from the core job, that is a police job. I'm basically an IPS officer serving this state for the last 25 years as a cop, and now this is the time for me to help the poor farmers who are grappling with their poverty problems. if once the poverty is taken care through the intervention of milk mission, piggery mission, the other missions like jackfruit mission and the strawberry cultivation, I'm very sure our farmers and their families will be very, very happy, and this is the peace will prevail.